Hey everybody, I'm the hiking chef, and today I'm hiking to Monrovia Canyon Waterfall. Monrovia Canyon Waterfall was recently opened up this week. It's been closed for about 5 years due to the Bobcat Fire that happened in 2020. This waterfall or city park closed down even before I started hiking. So I always heard about the waterfall that's back here, but I actually never got a chance to go check it out. So I'm really stoked on today. It's summertime, but there's still water flowing. So chances are the waterfall is gonna be going pretty good too. I can't wait to show you guys this epic waterfall. So let's go check it out. So far, trail is really beautiful. I'm really surprised. Kind of gives me a little bit of a Chantry Flats, Santa Anita vibe. Really old oak trees. I was kind of expecting a lot of burn scar, but obviously the Bobcat Fire didn't reach this low. So far, so good. I'm pretty impressed. This trail is really nicely done. Shout out to the city of Monrovia for putting in a lot of work. It's honestly like the cleanest parking, cleanest bathrooms, cleanest trail I've been on in Southern California. So I'm pretty surprised. Also, a lot of city rangers are present. That's pretty cool. I think that would be an awesome gig. I was just talking to one of them and they are so happy to have people back here. So come check it out, you guys. I was really hoping to see a big black bear back here. They're pretty skittish, so they don't really scare me too much. They're just kind of like a wild animal. But so far I haven't seen one. I made it to the waterfall. Got my first glimpse. It's super busy here, so let's go check it out. That was pretty awesome waterfall, not gonna lie. Good 30 to 40 footer. Really peaceful there, really pretty. I highly suggest you guys come check it out. It's a lot closer than the Sturtevant Falls over in Chantry Flats. This was only a 1.5 mile hike with 400 feet elevation gain. It's a really cool trail to bring your grandma, your mom, or your baby, your family. Come check out a really cool local waterfall, you guys. Right now, I'm gonna head back to the truck. That's one of the tallest oak trees I've ever seen. here in Southern California. I wonder if it's like has any significance because it's just surrounded by all these boulders. Like they almost don't want anyone to go up to it or something. If you guys know anything about that tree, please leave a comment below. I'd love to know more. I made it back to the truck. Really nice, easy day today, especially because it's so hot. So I'm really happy I chose this adventure today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry I didn't see any bears. I was really hoping to see one up here today, but that doesn't mean you won't see one if you come up here. So be careful. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'm almost at 2 miles, so I don't know how I did that, but awesome hike. I highly recommend it. Remember, if you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more hiking, cooking outdoors, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next episode.